Hi Zesties, let's cook. Okay, so I'm assuming that I'm not going to have enough salted duck egg sauce to cover all of the chicken. So I'm going to do salted duck egg chicken and cheese chicken and mee goreng noodle. Or, sorry, oops, lucky me noodles. Okay, you know what? I'm going to cut up all of my veggies because I get the feeling that once this gets all going, I'm going to be a little busy. And look, Zesties, I finally got a cutting board. I am bougie now, Zesties, okay? I don't care if I cook with Spam or anything like that. I am bougie with my cutting board, okay? Team bougie. Okay. Ooh, I feel so fancy. Well, it is better to cut on this too, huh? Oh, that's nice. I should have got a cutting board a long time ago. Okay, and I need 2 Thai chili peppers. I wonder why they don't have any red. At the Asian market, they only have green right now. Are red seasonal? Like you can only get red in the summer? I hope not, because if that's the case, I would have absolutely frozen some red ones. But you know what? Whatever, I just do the best I can. To be honest, I'm not sure how well any of this will even, like, toss up. I know it won't toss up in the, what's it called? Cheese chicken, because I've tried it before and it doesn't work. But maybe I can toss it up with the salted egg yolk chicken. I had pumpkin to use today to do salted egg yolk pumpkin, which I often do. But I was just like, you know what? I need the chicken today. I sure am hungry, Zesties. And dang, eggs were expensive. I didn't even buy any. I usually only eat ramen or pancit canton or whatever this is with eggs. I didn't even buy them. They were so expensive. I'm excited though. This is going to be a gluttonous treat. Half salted duck egg chicken, half, oh, I don't know why I have this onion out. Oh, Zesties, I don't know if you can really tell or if you've like seen my videos from before, but I cleaned my fridge and it feels good, Zesties. That was the first time in like 4 years that I had cleaned my fridge. But you know what? I'm bougie now. I have a cutting board, so don't even come at me. Well, actually do. Share me. Share me, please. Okay. What's the best cilantro cutting technique, Zesties? Okie dokie. You know what? I got the sesame seeds going too, just because I also foresee that being like a thing. Okay, I have the air fryer preheating. Cooking the noodles for 1 minute and 15 seconds in the microwave. I should probably put the veggies somewhere else. Okay, now I'm gonna put all this stuff on the noodles. Isn't this one cool? Special seed oil, air fryer oil. Look, I know that's gonna freak some people out. Ooh, seed oil. Ooh, where are the keto people? I want to put a little extra in there. Some chili paste, because why not? Should I add some extra seasoning of my own? You know what? Let's do it. Let's be team seasoned. Nothing crazy, just a little. Just a little bit. Why not, Zesties? That's what I want to know. Why not? You know what? Screw it. Hitting it with a little, oh, too much MSG. Oops. Oopsies. Okay, well, there we go. That should be a wonderfully flavorful noodle. Okay, I have everything ready for the salted duck. And you know what? I forgot to put some of this in here. Some calamansi. How could I forget? Okay, how is that chicken looking? We cannot wait to eat this. That's deep. Okay, now I'm going to see what chicken's ready and what's not. Whenever I do this in the air fryer, you know what? I'm going to give that just a little bit more. And I'm gonna get the salted duck egg stuff started. Sesame oil, butter, and yes, Imperial is butter, okay? I don't care if you don't think so. And yes, a lot of butter, because that's what makes the sauce happen. I don't believe that this meal is very healthy, so if you're health conscious, go away. We are slim thick with 2 C's. Look, a lot of people say I'm skinny. No, I'm not. I'm slim thick with 2 C's. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go fishing out the chicken and seeing which pieces are fully cooked and which are not. Because whenever I do this, there are little pieces that get, like, not cooked enough. Or is this time they're all cooked? Okay. I like how now that I've been cooking so much too, my hands are more resistant to the heat. Okay. Okay, let me start separating them because I want to do the duck egg chicken and the cheesy chicken separately. Actually, I bet there will be enough. Actually, maybe it's better that there is more sauce to chicken ratio. Come on, melt down. Why are you not melting? Oh, where is the lid for this? Oh, here it is. And where is... Okay. Actually, I might as well start the cheese part of the chicken right now. I wish I had some 2-time spicy bulldog sauce right now for the cheesy chicken, but I'm out. I'm gonna have to go to the Asian market that I know sells it, or at least they used to sell it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use a new spoon. I don't want to risk messing up the beautiful cheese dust. Okay, by the way, this is Foodrella cheese dust. Amazingly delicious and highly, highly, highly recommended. I bought it on Amazon and it was one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life. Yep, that should be cheesy enough. Do I have the cheese sauce still? Yeah, I do. I do. Okay, well, I'm waiting for the duck yolks to cook down. And something I like to do is start smushing them, because that gets it closer to... You know what? I'm going to hit it with more butter. And yes, Imperial is butter. Okay, so it started foaming up a little bit, but you have to wait till it's foamy, for real foamy. I am gonna keep my veggies cool, just in case. And I can just tell that, oh, this is gonna be so good today. The only thing I'm upset about is now that cheese chicken is getting done a lot, like, before everything else. But what am I to do? So I bought yolks instead of the whole egg, and I definitely prefer a lot more when it's the whole egg. When it's the whole egg, I typically will cook the egg first, and then the inside will be like a liquid, and I do not have to deal with the chunks. And then I can put the white part of the egg, I can crumble that up and put that on top of whatever I'm eating as well. I would use the masher on this, but I feel that that would make a lot of it get stuck on the masher. So I just try my best to cut up the yolks with my spatula. Although I think technically they will eventually like cook down if you leave them alone. But I would rather do this. This part can make it hard to tell when it's ready because it'll be like foamy, but there'll be still like too many chunks of yolk in there. It's certainly getting close now, if not ready. Because to be honest too, if some little chunks are left over, whatever, you know, they're tasty. It doesn't need to be completely, like, free of chunks. Because you also don't want it to burn, which it can do as well. But, I don't know. Next time I'm getting the full, the whole eggs, I like them a lot more, so. But this is just how I deal with the yolks. You know what, I think I'm going to... This was plenty for... I could have done the whole chicken as salted egg yolk. Okay. I'm doing it because I'm afraid it'll burn if I don't. Oops. Putting the veggies in it ruined it. Dang it. That makes me so mad. I ruined it. When I put the veggies in it, it made it like stick to the veggies. And not the chicken. Oh well, I guess I'm just gonna have to avenge myself. Dang, that's really upsetting. Oh well. Or actually, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it's just the yolks, like, separated? I don't even know what's going on there. Whatever. We're having fun, right, Zesties? I'm gonna put this in here with all the stuff in there anyway. Yeah, I wonder why it's separated like that. But you know what? I'm not gonna blame myself. I'm gonna blame the yolks, which don't work so well as, don't work so well as the whole eggs. Okay, now I'm putting some water in there, just enough for it to soften up, nothing too crazy. This should be an interesting and delicious meal, regardless of how I feel the salted egg came out. I feel like, you know, that chicken's pretty coated. It's coated enough with that salted duck egg. I blame the yolks, not myself. Only the whole duck egg from now on. Or the paste. I see a lot of Asian videos using paste, and I haven't found it. I have found powder on Amazon, but... I'm gonna put a tiny bit more. Let me try to do this on camera for you guys. Yeah, that looks good enough. And I'm gonna put some of those weird pieces of yolk on the top at the end. Why is it looking like I put more water in there than I really did? Wait, you know what? I forgot my final touch. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, that toasted sesame oil. Okay, toasted sesame. I think I overcooked the noodles a little bit, but whatever. I usually do it in a way that people believe is not cooked enough, so... Yeah, this is interesting, all these little pieces of yolk left behind. See, and that's what confuses me, is should I have let them... I feel like I'm not supposed to let it go until all of the yolk is dissolved, because it did burn on me the other day, so... Whatever, I'm only getting ones from... Also, you have to try this if you haven't yet. And I wish I could drink this with the Korean drink, but I know it will be too small, so I'm going to have it with a... What do you think, Zesties? Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to have it with the vitamin water. Let's eat.